In this video, I will show how to add this full screen tab in Excel. Just by clicking here, you can make full screen in Excel. To remove, press Escape key on keyboard. So click on File, then Options. Here click on Customize Ribbon. And here now here select all commands, and in this list you have to find out full screen. Select it, then add. It will ask to create a group or tab. So in the home tab you can create a group. Click new group, rename, and give any name like full screen. Select any logo, then click on OK. Now add and click on OK. Now you will get this tab. Just click on it to make full screen and press escape key to remove. Thanks for watching.